Welcome to Kidsiland, where imagination is no bound.
Carnivores, meet the mighty meat eaters. Hey there, young explorers! Welcome to another wild adventure where we uncover the fascinating world of carnivores. Yes, you heard it right. These are the fierce meat eaters of the animal kingdom. But don't worry, we are here to learn all about them, not to become their lunch. Ready to dive in? Let's go! Lion. Meet the king of the jungle, the lion. With a mighty roar, this big cat rules the savannah, hunting in prides to bring down the biggest prey. Tiger. Tigers are the largest of the big cats. Their beautiful orange fur with black stripes make them the perfect stealthy hunter in dense forest. Leopard. The leopard is a master of surprise. With its spotted coat, it silently stalks its prey before pouncing with lightning speed. Cheetah. Ready, set, go! The cheetah is the fastest land animal, zooming at a speed up to 70 mph to catch its dinner in a flash. Jaguar. The jaguar is a powerhouse of the rainforest. Known for its strong jaw, it can even crush through a turtle's shell. Talk about bite force! Wolf. Wolves are the ultimate team players. They live in packs and work together to hunt down prey, from deer to even bison. Hyena. Don't underestimate the hyena's laugh. These scavengers are also skilled hunters with jaws strong enough to crush bones. Polar bear. The polar bear is the ruler of the Arctic. It hunts seals on the icy waters, using its powerful swimming skills to survive in the cold. Grizzly bear. Grizzly bears are the giant of the forest. These omnivores prefer a meaty meal of fish but won't say no to berries and plants. Crocodile. Watch out the crocodile's deadly snap. With a tough skin and strong jaws, it abuses prey that comes too close to the water. Komodo dragon. The Komodo dragon is the largest lizard on earth. It's a fearsome predator with a venomous bite that helps take down its prey. Great white shark. Here comes the great white shark, the ocean's top predator. With rows of sharp teeth, it rules the seas and can sense blood from miles away. Orca whale. Orcas, also known as killer whales, are the wolves of the sea. They hunt in pods and can take down even the largest ocean creatures. Eagle. The eagle is the sky's fiercest hunter. With sharp talons and incredible eyesight, it swoops down to snatch up its prey. Owl. Owls are the nighttime ninjas. With silent flight and night vision, they are perfect hunters in the dark. Cougar. The puma, also known as the cougar, is a stealthy stalker of the mountains. This big cat can leap great distances to catch its prey. Lynx. The lynx has tufted ears and a bow tail. This secretive cat hunts in the snow, blending in perfectly with its surroundings. Dingo. Dingoes are wild dogs of Australia. They hunt in packs and are known for their keen senses and teamwork. Fox. The fox is a clever and adaptable hunter. With its bushy tail and sharp senses, it can sneak up on its prey from mice to birds. Coyote. Coyote is a wily trickster. It's known for its cunning hunting tactics and can thrive in almost any environment. Jackal. Jackals are resourceful hunters. They work together in pairs to catch small prey or scavenge for food left behind by bigger predators. Falcon. The falcon is a speed demon of the sky. It dives at incredible speeds to snatch up birds in midair with its sharp talons. Vulture. Vultures are nature's clean-up crew. They may not hunt for live prey, but they feast on carcasses, helping to keep the environment clean. Wolverine. The wolverine is a fierce and fearless predator. Despite its size, it can take down prey much larger than itself in the snowy wilderness. Dhole. The dhole or Asiatic wild dog is a pack hunter. These social carnivores work together to bring down prey like deer and white boar. Pine marten. The pine marten is a small forest-dwelling carnivore. It's an agile climber hunting birds, small mammals, and even insects in the trees. Snow leopard. The snow leopard is the ghost of the mountains. This elusive cat blends into the snowy landscape, stalking prey like mountain sheep and goats. Harpy eagle. The harpy eagle is the mightiest bird of prey in the rainforest. With its powerful talons, it can snatch monkeys and sloth right from the trees.
Badger. Badgers are tough little carnivores with strong claws and a tenacious spirit. They dig for prey and defend their territory fiercely.
Tasmanian Devil. The Tasmanian Devil is a wild carnivore with a mighty bite. It has the strongest jaws relative to body size of any mammal. Ocelot. The ocelot is a small, sleek jungle cat. Its beautiful coat helps it blend in as it stalks its prey through the dense undergrowth.
Serval. The serval has long legs and big ears. It's an expert at pouncing on small animals, using its height and hearing to locate prey. Weasel. Weasels are fast and fierce. These small predators can squeeze into tight spaces to catch their prey, usually rodents or birds. Mongoose. The mongoose is known for its bravery, even taking on venomous snakes. It's quick, clever, and always on the hunt for a meal. Meerkat. Meerkats may be small, but they are mighty hunters of insects and small animals. They live in groups, keeping a lookout for danger. Honey badger. The honey badger is tough as nails. It's known for its fearlessness and will take on anything, from venomous snakes to larger predators. Civet. Civets are nocturnal hunters with a sweet tooth. While they enjoy fruit, they are also skilled in catching small animals at night. Mink. The mink is a sleek and agile hunter. Found near water, it preys on fish, birds, and small mammals with its sharp teeth and claws. Bobcat. The bobcat is a solitary stalker of the wilderness. It uses stealth and speed to ambush prey like rabbits and birds. Raccoon. The raccoon is a clever and curious carnivore. Known for its masked face, it hunts at night, often near water for fish and small animals.
Wow! What an incredible journey through the world of carnivores! These animals are truly amazing, each with its own unique way of hunting and surviving in the wild. Remember, while they may be fierce, they play a super important role in nature, keeping the balance in their ecosystem. Thanks for joining me on this wild ride, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.
Hope you liked this video.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Kidsiland to see more videos like this. Thank you.